Hello guys, I am Clint Vincent C. Macarayan from BSEE 2A. Now we are going to solve this problem which says that a stick is being pulled out of the ground by means of two ropes as shown. Knowing that the alpha is equal to 30 degrees, determine by trigonometry the magnitude of the force P so that resultant force exerted on the stake is vertical. The corresponding magnitude of the resultant. Now, the resultant force on the stake is vertical and we have to find the magnitude of this force P so that the resultant is vertical, and it say that we have to find the corresponding magnitude. Now the resultant force on the stake is vertical and we have to find the magnitude of this force P so that the resultant is vertical, and it say that we have to find the corresponding magnitude of the resultant. So we have to find the resultant magnitude and we have to find the force P magnitude using the trigonometry. So now let's draw the free body diagram first. Let's say that this is our point A. Point A, we have the force P, whose magnitude is not known. So we have the 120 Newton we assume that our resultant force is on vertical. With this 120, you can make a 25-degree angle by extending the line. If this is 25-degree angle, this is also a 25-degree angle, because these two angles is alternate angle. Then, since our alpha is 30 degree, need to put 30 degree here. And now we can solve the magnitude P using this law of sine. So you can say P divided by the opposite angle, which is sine 25 degree. So equal to, then also the 120 Newton divided by the opposite angle, which is sine 30 degree. Then we need to cross multiply this, or we need to multiply both sides of the equation by sine 25. So we can say that Rp is equal to 120 sine 25 degree divided by sine 30 degree. If we plug in this value into our calculator, we can get Rp is equal to 101.4 Newton. So this is the value of Rp. But before that, we need to determine this equivalent angle and we can find this our resultant. So we need to find this angle. We need to extend this line to make an angle again by 30 degree. Since this is 30 degree and this angle is also the same here, and for this point, at this point, that angle is also 180 degree. In order to find this unknown angle, we need to subtract the 25 degree 180 minus 25 degree and 30 degree. So 180 minus 25 degree minus 30 degree, then is equal to 125 degree. So this is 125 degree. Then we can proceed to solve the resultant by using again the law of sine. You can also use, so R divided by the sine of this angle 125 degree, and the 120 Newton divided by sine 30 degree. So again, we need to cross multiply this. So we can get our R is equal to 120 sine 125 degree divided by sine 30 degree. So if we plug in this into our calculator, we can get our R sun. RR is equal to 196.5 Newton. So this is final value of RR